Okay, I've got my computer here in the back of the car. We got a NVIDIA P6000. We're about to get this upgraded to a GTX 460 or RTX 460. I'm going to see whether or not I can get a child to do it. So first of all, let's see. Can you open the okay? You gonna open the computer first or open the box?
Open this because I want to see it.
Okay. Okay. So there's a video card. Go ahead and take it out of the anti-static bag. Okay. So there's a video card.
What's this?
It's a manual. You don't need the manual. So what I would do is I would tell you go ahead and you can pull the plastic off the video card.
Would it burn up if you left it on?
I don't know what it'll do. It might get caught in the fan at some point. This thing is primarily to keep the fingerprints off.
Does it matter if you got our fingerprints on it anyway?
It doesn't matter.
Okay.
Okay, now we're not going to take it off now, but where your thumb is, that's covering up the electrical contacts. Leave that plastic on there. Look in the back. You can pull that plastic off.
So?
Yeah. Okay, now for now, set the video card back on top of the electrostatic bag. Now I've already taken the screws out of the case, so you can go ahead and lift the plastic off if you can figure out how.
The plastic?
The base, whatever you want to call it.
Oh, okay.
Looks like, can you grab it from back here? Yeah, you can. Okay. Okay, we're gonna set this over here.
Do it over there? Wait, no.
Yeah, that's where it's gonna go, but you need to take that one out. So we probably had to, we probably had to flip this around 180 degrees because it's screwed in there.
Okay.
Okay, so you're gonna need to get that card off. Can you tell how to do it?
Yeah. There's a screw somewhere, right?
Yeah, but the screws that you're focused on are gonna be around the outside of the case.
Like right under there?
No. So there's a screw here, there, but you need to take this one off too.
Okay. Let's start with these ones then.
Okay, now. Yay.
So what? Like that?
Okay, yes and no. The no bar is because there's something that's anchoring it down. If you look, you can see there's a little lever thing right there.
Push it?
Yeah, press it down. And you'll find the feel it click. I think you just did it. Let me see. Oh, look at that. Now, do you see something else you need to disconnect? Go ahead and start working it out. Do you see what else is on there?
You sound like Dora the Explorer. Yes, I see it. Right here.
Okay, do you know how to disconnect it?
Yeah. But, okay.
Okay. So, before we
Hold
put this...
on. This is facing this way? Okay. Just gonna face this way.
So before you put that in...
I'll put it back.
Okay, you can go ahead and put the power things in.
Right here?
Yep.
This one goes on top instead. It's kind of annoying.
It is,
Put both of these in there? Or just this one?
How many are on there? How many holes are on the video card?
You know, this is the second one. I'm not sure.
Oh, yeah, that was nowhere.
Okay. This one's not connected like the other three are. So
No, it's not. That's the hard part. That's the hardest part.
It's not that hard. I refuse to work.
Okay, wait. Remember I told you your thumb was covering up something before?
Yeah, this.
Yeah, pull that
go right there?
No, pull it off. Pull it off. That's the cover.
Oh.
Okay.
It's gotta go right there, right?
Yep. Okay, now I'm trying to take these because now I don't know where they. Oh, you got it. Okay. Okay, so
Okay, I have to push it forward a little bit. That's fine. Alright, give me here. all three identical?
Yeah. So yeah, you might have to wiggle the card a little bit to make sure everything's lined up.
I'll push it forward, but I have to get this one there first. Okay, it's gonna work. Oh no. Rah! I have a shaky hand. It's not gonna work.
Yeah, you can do it.
Please. Okay. Rah! Okay.
Oh, wait. This is a Russian screwdriver. Hold on to it. Don't try anything.
Okay.
It's okay. Now do it. Wait. Okay, you did it. I thought I dropped it. Okay, and that's it.
It's,
6 minutes, 20 seconds.
you were timing me?
Well, no, that's the counter on the video.
Oh.
There's a thumb screw, so you don't have to use a screwdriver if you don't want to.
If you don't want them coming off in a couple of hours.
Oh, they won't come off. Yay! Now, was that so bad?
No. But no, it wasn't bad.
Okay, so I can send other people to you to get their computers upgraded now?
No. Well, they pay me.
How much do you charge?
How much
That's
can I
not enough.
charge?
Huh. Okay, here's the deal. You can charge as much as they'll pay, and if you don't want them to come at all, then you charge even more. And you keep increasing your price until they think you're too expensive and don't ask you anymore.
That works. I don't want to do this forever anyway. So.
No, you don't want to do it forever. You might only do it because, I don't know, you're in college and you just want to get enough to pay for that burrito that's out of your budget.
So, okay.
Now I know that there are some that might question the wisdom of just driving up your car with your computer in your trunk and having some teenager update your computer. But let's see whether or not this worked. I see the fan turning. Let's see if the computer does anything. No signal. And now it's giving me something. All right, so the upgrade worked. I can see that the software needs to be installed because that's not the right resolution. So I'm gonna go ahead and let it turn on, connect to the internet, and then it can take care of everything else on its own.